Hey guys, it's Kathy Shuck coming to you live from our latest, greatest acquisition in Peabody, Massachusetts, specifically in the West Peabody section. We're in a really great, quiet little residential neighborhood, and I love the area. The house we just bought is 13 Glen Drive, right here. You can see it behind me now. And I love it. It's a little slab ranch. It's actually not little, it's bigger than it looks. And it is, there's all, woods behind it. It butts the Peabody bike trail. So if you're into biking, you can just hop on your bike and hop on the bike trail. I'm going to take you inside so you can see all what we need to do to make this house shine again. Okay, so now we're on the inside of the house at 13 Glen Drive. The outside doesn't need too much work. It's in actually really good shape. It's one of the better rehab houses we bought in terms of the condition. So outside, not too much. Inside, just updating it to making it a little bit more to today's standards. We're probably gonna do, because it's on a slab, we're probably gonna do engineered hardwood over the tile. And we've got a huge, this is the entranceway, so kind of a dining area, kitchen area right when you walk in. I believe this is one of those Campanelli ranches that, they did back in the 1950s and 60s. So it needs a little updating, starting with this huge kitchen. We're gonna kind of keep the layout as it is. Probably put a big island right there. It's gonna look awesome. I love the natural light from the skylight up above. That's gonna be really cool. And off the kitchen was probably once a garage, but the former owners converted it into more living space, which I guess would be a cool thing to have. So this, you could turn it back into a garage. We're not gonna do that because this is where the washer and dryer are. So who wants to do their laundry in the garage, right? So right now it's a huge living room / family room. This is the old behemoth. Is that a word? Did I make that up? Behemoth. Furnace, we're gonna get rid of that, put a new modern furnace in there, and probably a new water tank, and do something about this exposed pipes here. Nobody wants their plumbing out visual like that. This is the only back door. Kind of make that a little bit more attractive. Maybe put a nice French door in there or something like that. But basically, taking care of that. The walls, they're kind of stucco-y right now. Probably just go over those with sheetrock. And again, put some nice laminate flooring in here as well, engineered hardwood maybe. And then through the kitchen, there's yet another family room. Not one, but two family rooms. And this one, I love it. Kind of stuck in the old Wild Wild West theme, right? Who loves Wild Wild West theme? Not too many people. So we're gonna modernize it a little bit, but I'm loving the fireplace. It's so awesome. Probably gonna get rid of that Ponderosa style wagon wheel chandelier and retexture the stucco ceilings. But this room is a really great size. It's huge. It's really the focal point of the house, and it's a little bit dark with the dark wood flooring, dark paneling. I think we're gonna keep the paneling, just paint it white, make it a little brighter, or maybe like a light gray to tie in with the fireplace. And we're gonna try to fix or save the flooring, but I have a feeling that we're gonna have to redo the flooring because there's a little dip right here. Not sure what's going on in the flooring. We're gonna get underneath there and find out what it is, and we may need to redo the flooring if that happens. But this is a huge room. I love it. We just need to kind of update it, take it out of the Wild Wild West theme and putting it back into modern time. All right, and then through the hallway, we have the bedroom areas. So we have 3 bedrooms here, and they're pretty good to go. They just need new carpeting. So there's bedroom number 1, bedroom number 2, bedroom number 3. This is probably the master just because it's the biggest and because it has a little half bath off it, which is so cool, but we need to obviously fix the plumbing and probably get rid of the checkerboard tile, although pretty cool. I guess you can play chess or checkers on it. I don't know. Could do that while you're sitting on the toilet, maybe. And, again, carpeting, but the doors are in great shape. And the hall bath is a really good size bath, especially for, a ranch style house. However, we're not loving this kind of, I don't know what it is. I call it a beauty bar or I don't know, makeup counter. I think it takes up the whole bath and it's kind of, in my opinion, not needed. So I think what we're going to do there instead is put in 2 double sinks and remove this tiny little sink and just keep the toilet and the shower where it belongs. So I think 2 double sinks here would be awesome. Kind of each kid, if it's, you know, family moves in here, has his and her sinks type thing. And I think that's a better use of the space. I'm going to take you outside to the backyard where you're going to see something very, very different, very unusual. So we're going into the backyard, and I love this yard because it's all flat, level, and completely fenced in. So great yard for a pool or dogs or small children. So awesome there. And it, as I said, it's just beautiful in the back. It just backs up to the bike trail that goes through Peabody. So great access there. But here's the interesting little thing. We've got a wishing well of some sort, or a pond. Ooh, grass is super wet, as I'm just finding out. We got a little patio right here, and that's the door that goes into the family room. So a little patio here. And then we have this water feature. So not quite sure what to do with this. Some people might like this. I find that it's kind of obtrusive. It's right in the middle of the backyard, and you have to kind of walk all the way around it to get to the other part of the yard. So I think, unfortunately, the water feature is going to go bye-bye. Complete with the working well. I'm told that when it's on, the water just comes out, and it could be a beautiful feature, but I don't know. I think it looks like a lot of work and maintenance, and yeah, I think we're gonna have to fill this in. Last time I was here, we saw snakes and frogs in it, so not my kind of thing. And then we have this ginormous shed. I don't know if that's a word, ginormous, but we have this big shed right here, and then I don't know what this is. I guess another shed, but I think it used to be, back in the day, a trailer. So, but whoever, you know, converted it into a shed. So it's like we have a shed with an extension on a shed, followed by another shed. There's just way too many she sheds going on back here. Maybe this is the he shed and that's the she shed. I don't know, but I think we're going to get rid of the trailer one. So if anyone is looking for a trailer, I think there really still is wheels in there. They've just sunken into the ground. If anyone's looking for a trailer, let me know. You can come and take it away. Otherwise, I think we're just going to demo it. But other than the sheds, the multi-shed thing going on, it's a beautiful backyard, very large, and I think it would be ideal for a pool, either right here or probably on this side of the yard, where you're right off the patio. And as you can see, they love their pools in Peabody. Our next door neighbor here has a pool, and the neighbor over here, which you can't see because there's a fence in the way, they have a pool as well. So this would be a great yard for a pool. I can just imagine having a pool right here, overlooking, you know, the woods and the nature back here, nice and sunny, and then you have your patio right there. So that's the house. Outside, it looks pretty good shape, and you know, pretty good shape inside as well. Just updating some of the fixtures and making it a little bit more modern again. So if you're interested in buying this property when it's finished, let me know. I'm Kathy Shook at North Shore Real Estate Solutions. Our phone number is 978-809-3999, or you can visit our website at www.nsresolutions. Signing off for now. Bye-bye.